Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I will like to show you how you can get a best quality of editing with CapCut application. Over your CapCut application, you can just start with a new project and then you just need to pick the video that's having low quality. Let's do with this, and then just need to go tap add. Now the thing that you have to do is just go tap into this button, and you just need to take a look on this button feature and then just swipe it into the left side until you find adjust. Now you can adjusting everything regarding to the clip that you have. First I will let to do with a brightness. In this brightness here I will let to add some more light, and then for the contrast I also want to increase it into several level so that the color could be popping up. The next I will let to jump into this sharpen. In this sharpen I will let to add more so that there could be a more sharp video for the result. Perfect. And then you just need to go tap into this checklist button. Now you already got a better color for this video. And then the next thing you need to do is just take a look on this top side, tap into this button, and make sure you got the best resolution by tapping this 2K or 4K. And then from the frame rate, you just need to also adjust into 60. You can also increasing from for the code rate by tap into this high, but you need to consider that the highest the resolution, also the highest size of your video. And then the next thing you need to do is just go export this video and you were done. So that's the way how you can create the best video resolution or quality only with a CapCut application. Hopefully you easily understand and enjoy the video, and don't forget to turn on the notification for upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other video.